everybody. I hope you're all ready for the new year. It's coming so fast. We are sending home this cute little countdown calendar so you can keep up with the times as you count off the hours until the new year. So this is the year 2020, and next year, in a few short days, will be 2021. So I'm going to show you everything we have to help you celebrate that new year coming. Instruction sheet. That one's easy. We're going to put in there this, I don't know if you can really read this, but you'll be able to when you get your packets. It's just a year review about you. You can put a picture, you can draw a picture here. Your big people can help you fill these out, or you can fill them out yourself. It's just a good memory to have of remembering the year 2020. There's a cool little I Spy game that's going to be in there. And I will show you this first. Before we do the countdown clock, I have put in there this, which is going to be a party hat, because most people party when you're celebrating the new year coming. So there's different designs for the new year hat. So this is in there. I'm going to show you for the new year hat. You just want to cut around the edges. Now here, there's kind of like two edges, I guess you would call it, but you're going to want to go around the outside edge, because this one is going to help you glue your hat together when you cut it out. Okay, I have already colored and cut one out. See how I left this edge? Okay, you can use, I have three options here for me. I have tape, I have a stapler, and I have this kind of glue, because I find that liquid glue tends to get very messy and it doesn't dry as quickly. So I'm going to take this glue first, and I'm going to glue this little edge that was left on there, okay? I'm going to put some glue on there, and then you just kind of take your hat, and it should really fold quite nicely. Should. I said should. I did say should. This is why you have big people helping you, though, right? Yeah, mine. Wait, I almost got it. Okay, yes, see? It did fold quite nicely. Now, I will also say, it did fold quite nicely, but the glue is already dry, so it did me no good, which is why I am glad that I have a stapler. I'm using the stapler because I feel like that will be the best option. Tape would work too. Maybe I'll just staple the bottom, but then tape the rest, because the stapler can't really reach all the way up to the top of my hat. Yep, that's it. Tape it is. Tape for the top, staple for the bottom. That's my solution. Everybody can have a different solution. And if you go quicker than me, your glue could work. I'm going to add another staple here because the stapler can reach into there. So I'm going to bring the stapler, I'm going to staple up as high as this will allow, just because that's as high as it will allow. I kind of trust staples. And to be honest with you, staples hold pretty well. So, all right, I have really stapled this. Okay, now I have a little hat. In order to hold it on, probably going to want some string, or if you have elastic at home, that could work too. And I'm also going to staple the string. So it says, Happy New Year. I am going to staple one here. Okay. There we go. I'm going to double staple it. And then on the complete opposite side, I am going to staple another piece. Okay? That way I can put my hat on and tie it under my chin. And we'll double staple there. Okay, ready? It says Happy New Year. I put my hat on and tie it under my chin. And that didn't work. Okay. May need a little help with the tying. I got it though. All right, I'm tying it under my chin. And now I can celebrate with a hat. Happy New Year. Next thing, last thing we have is we're gonna make a clock, a countdown clock. So this is what's in your packet. You can probably, if you want to color it or decorate it, I would do that first. I did. I just colored the numbers, and then I cut it out, and it's ready to go. Oh, and don't forget to cut out the hands of the clock as well, because that is what's going to help you with your countdown. I feel like my hat's not tight enough. Okay, so I don't know if you know anything about hands of a clock, but the long one is counting the minutes, and the short one is the one that counts the hours. This clock doesn't have any minute little ticks on there. If you guys want to add those, you can. What's cool about this clock is you can use it for a countdown, but you can also keep it and use it for helping to tell time. We are going to, there's a paper plate. We're going to take some glue because glue should work just fine for this part, okay? I'm going to glue my clock face, which is what I cut out and colored. This is the clock face. I'm going to glue it to my paper plate. Right in the center. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now I have a sturdier clock because the paper's not super sturdy, okay? Now I'm going to put my minute hand. There's a circle at the end of your minute and your hour hand, and if you look at your clock face, there's a circle right in the middle. I am going to put the circle on top of the circle, and the same thing with my hour hand, with both the minute and the hour hand. I'm going to put them both on top of that black circle. Then I'm going to take this brad clip, which is also in your kit, and you may need help from a big person for this as well, okay? I'm just going to take it and poke it through, which isn't working really well. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna get a pen so I can poke a hole, which really I should have done ahead of time. But now we live and learn. That's why hopefully if you're watching this video, you have learned. Okay, so I have this pen. I think it's gonna be much stronger than the brad clip, and it's a good size. And I'm gonna poke it right through the center here. Yes. I poked it through. Can you see the little pen sticking out, the little pen tip? Yeah. That now will allow me to put my brad clip in. See, it went right in. Now you're going to take it, and if you've never used these before, they have like little things. Just spread them apart, lay them flat, you're good to go. Now look what I can do. I can move my hour hand and my minute hand. I'm just going to leave it at this time. And as the time passes during the day, you can keep clicking your clock around until we get to, what are we looking for? We're looking for midnight. Midnight is the time that the new year begins on. So it'll be December 31st is the day that we're kind of celebrating. I put my brad clip a little tight, so I'm just going to loosen it, because if you put it too tight, well, you can't move your numbers, or you can't move your hands. Okay, that's better. So now, we want it to be midnight. It's not cooperating super well, but it is cooperating, okay? Midnight, yay, Happy New Year! And then we all cheer, and then we all go to bed, because the New Year's here. We've celebrated, we're there. So that is what is in your New Year's packet. You guys have an amazing, amazing New Year. I hope you guys celebrate and have fun and look forward to everything you can do in the new year, because it's going to be an exciting year, everybody. Happy New Year!